Today I'm going to teach you how to collaborate in real time with team members in Taskade. Okay, so the one thing that you need to know is collaborating in real time is a standard with Taskade, right? Because everything that you do is going to be updated in real time. So the first thing you can do is from this workspace, you can go and click on add people. This will allow you to add people to your space. Now you will have to upgrade because you have one free user, which is included in the free plan. But if you want to add users, then you will have to go and upgrade. So go ahead, click on go unlimited, go and check what it costs. But ultimately, if you've done this, you're going to go either share link. Okay, you can turn this on or off. So if you turn it on, you can change the permissions, and you want to keep it as an editor because whoever you'll be collaborating with, you want to make sure that they also have editing capabilities. Go ahead and click on copy link. Now, this will copy the link to your clipboard, and you'll be able to send that link to whoever you want to send it to. The other option is to go to email over here and add in the email of the person you'd like to invite, choose the permissions and send the invitation to them. Now this will allow this person to be able to access everything on your space. Let's say that we want to go into one of our projects over here. So we've got this project management one, and here if you go up to the top right hand side, hit the three dots, you can come down here and click on share app. It'll give you the exact same options over here. Okay, now if you're in here and we're going into workspace, and in workspace, we'll be able to see this development stage over here, which is a task. Here, you can do two things. You can share this. You will see the exact same thing as we've seen before. So you can share that link. You can email it. You can now also embed it, and then you can publish this. Or you can go and click on assign once you have your team members invited and they're part of your space. Go ahead, look for the team member, click on that, and they've now been assigned to that stage or that task within your project. And as I said before, this is all done in real time, so it's very easy to make changes and see it immediately.